Welcome to the VR Hand Gestures tutorial. Starting from version 11.1, SimLab's VR Viewer supports hands detection for the Oculus Quest. This can be utilized to create more immersive and memorable VR experiences. The 4 different gestures are as follows. For teleportation, make a gun finger gesture with the thumb closed into your hand to aim the teleportation guide, then lift your thumb quickly to teleport. For clicking, pinch your thumb with your index finger and keep the other 3 fingers open to show the clicking indicator. Then release the pinch in order to click. Now for grabbing, simply make a fist with your hand after getting close enough to the object. And to release the object, just open your hand. The same gesture works for both grabbable sequences and normal grabbing. To open the menu, open your palm and face it towards yourself. Then when you see the menu icon, move your thumb towards your pinky finger. To close the menu, repeat the same steps again.